Okay, we're gonna do a quick video for perspective, even though we did this in class together. First thing you do, hold your ruler across the page. Hold it straight so it doesn't move. This is your horizon line. You're gonna draw 2 squares or rectangles above the horizon line and 2 below. You can put them any way you want. And you want to try to keep your ruler nice and straight. And you can keep it straight by lining it up with the edge of your paper. I'm not going to make these too big. So I'm going to do 2 above the horizon line, 2 below the horizon line, and I'm actually going to put 1 on the horizon line. And all of these lines that I'm drawing are straight. They are straight horizontally, so side to side. They are straight up and down, and I'm using a ruler or whatever straight edge you have to draw them. Okay, so hold your ruler up to the edge of the paper. Here, I can even just trace the outside of the ruler if that's easier. And then, after I draw these out, I'm going to make these simple shapes become forms. Look about here. By bringing them to the vanishing point. Okay, so this is how you set up first. Get rid of the extra lines. Close off what needs to be closed off. And I need to do 1 of them on the horizon line. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to draw boxes that go above or below the horizon line or your eye level. So this is what I have right now. Right? So I am going to put a dot here kind of by the middle, and this is my vanishing point. All my lines have to be either straight up and down, right? They're gonna be straight up and down like they are here in your squares and rectangles, straight side to side, or to the vanishing point. That's it. And one other thing I want you to keep in mind is don't go through the shape, just go to the edge. So I'm gonna go from the corner here to the vanishing point. From this corner to the vanishing point. Now I'm not going to go through this corner to the vanishing point because I would then have to draw through my shape. So I'm going to go from this corner to the vanishing point. And you can see already, it now looks like it's coming towards you. So I'm going to do that for all 5 of them. Corner to the vanishing point. And I'm not pressing hard with my pencil because I'm going to erase some of this afterwards. So all my lines go to the vanishing point. That's going to create the illusion that they're coming towards you, or they are straight up and down or straight side to side. And now this here, I'm drawing to the vanishing point, but now my lines are going up where before they were going down to the vanishing point. And it's because you're either above or below the horizon line or above or below your eye level. This guy here is on the horizon line, so you're not going to see the top or the bottom of it. You're just going to see the side. So then you go like this to the vanishing point, to the vanishing point. Okay. So that's step 1. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 above, 2 below. I've got my horizon line. I've got my vanishing point. Now I have to close these off. So what you want to remember is all your lines are either straight side to side or straight up and down, or they go to the vanishing point. So let's decide how big we want this one. we're gonna go and say, okay, I want the top to go to here.
We have to get any faster with Little Kids in class today?
Yes, sir.
He's online?
We're gonna go right here. And we're gonna get the roof. This is the top. When it hits the line, then we're gonna go down. And we're gonna go here. Okay, so now look at the magic. This is what we just made. Right, you just took a plain flat square, or rectangle, sorry, and now it looks like it's 3D. But the lines are straight or straight. So we're gonna do that for all of them. Straight up and down. And here, I can't keep going straight, because then look what happens. If I keep that line going straight all the way, then you get this weird shape. This is not what I want. What I have to do is I have to turn it, because the lines are either straight side to side or straight up and down. So then this is how you get the roof, and you get rid of this. That's how you get the top. Okay, so I try to remember it like an L. So now here, we're gonna go to the bottom, straight to the bottom. It hits the line. What do you do when you hit the line? Turn, go straight up. Go to this one, straight, hit the line, turn, and go straight. So you repeat this for all of them. You can get rid of the excess. Then you're stuck with the one that's on the horizon line. This guy here, we're only gonna finish off by doing a straight line up and down, because again, we said we don't see the top or the bottom because it's at the horizon line, it's at your eye level. So that's step one, day one.